Say, okay, then how was the exam? I hope you all have done well. Okay, then we have to finish one more lesson. So today we are going to study a new poem. Then the title of the poem is The Quarrel. 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 Then what do you mean by quarrel? Fighting each other. Am I right? Fighting each other. Quarrel. Then did you fight with your siblings, your cousins? Did you fight with your siblings, your cousins? Then why did you fight with them? Why did you fight with them? We all fight with our or fought with our cousins or siblings. And it's all the time silly reasons. Am I right? There is no there is no issues. Sometimes there is no issues. Simply we fighting. Got it? So today we are going to study a poem. The title of the poem is The Quarrel, and a quarrel between brother and a sister. Okay, so please take page number 146 in your textbook. Then the quarrel. So you may please look at this picture. The first picture, they are fighting each other. Then second one, they are not face to face. Okay, then look at the third one. Yes, now the problem solved. They became friends again. Okay, so take your textbook, page number 146. The quarrel. 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 I quarrel with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come on. We can go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Okay, then simple poem. It's a simple poem. Then first beginning with I quarrel with my brother. One brother and sister, they quarreled each other. Then what happened? The speaker of the poem, maybe the girl, don't know what was the reason. One thing led to another, one after another. There are so many problems, so many things, silly problems. Sometimes he took the remote, or sometimes he switched off the fan. There are such a silly things. Sometimes he took my pen. Such a silly things. We don't know the actual problem. What was the actual problem? So one thing led to another, one after another. He made so many problems. They one after another. And somehow we fell out. Okay, then what do you mean by fell out? Fought. Past tense of fight. Fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. Past tense what? Fought. F-O-U-G-H-T. Fought. That quarrel. Meaning what? Quarrel. The start of it was slight. Slight meaning here what? Simple. Silly issues. Small. The end of it was wrong. Then the end, sometimes the problem, it's a silly problem. So the ending was what? It's a big one, strong one. He said he was right. What he was doing was right. He said, I knew he was wrong. So the problem begins. The quarrel begins there. I know that all things he did was wrong, and he believed all the things were good. So there the problem begins. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. Got it? So they hated one another. They quarreled one another. The afternoon turned black. Then what do you mean by turn black? Here the speaker means that the afternoon was terrible because the graph of their quarrel, that will increase in the noon time or the afternoon time. The problem it again in the worse stage. Got it? So that is We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. The problem rises. Their quarrel rises. So we hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother, then a sudden change in him. Then what did he do? Then suddenly my brother thumped me. What do you mean by thumped? Thumped. Hit hard in a friendly manner. Thumped. Got it? That hit in a friendly manner. And such, oh come on. Oh dear sister, forgive me. Please forgive me. Come on. Come to me. We can't go on all night. We can't continue this quarrel. Got it? We must solve it. We must solve it now itself. So you may please come on. I was in the wrong. I made a mistake. So I will ask your forgiveness. Got it? You may please forgive me. So he was in the right. Now he said sorry to her sister and all the issues solved. So we all know we loved, there is no doubt, we all loved our brothers, sisters, our cousins. But in spite all these love, we made some silly problems, silly quarrels. There we will fought each other. But that will remain only for sometimes minutes, sometimes hours, sometimes days. Then and immediately, what my opinion is, immediately we will solve all these kind of silly issues. Got it? So likewise in the poem, the brother solved all the issues and they became friends in the end. So this is the poem. So you may please read the poem 5 times and try to find out these questions and write down or study the spellings of these new words. So this much for today. Thank you.